Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Friday the 13th, Friday, December the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Monday to Friday, Eastern Time, of course. And I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month of a Trade Ideas subscription or the entire year. Well, a bit of a strange day, to be honest. I mean, we had China news, we had the UK election, so we had some UK stocks popping in the morning before the market opened. But I think mainly the market was concerned with what was happening with China. Is there going to be a deal? Is there not going to be a deal? I didn't really trade that much today. Let me see. I'm not really actually. What I want to show you though is a new feature, and let me see if I can show this. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So this is a new feature that we've got. Okay, I just on a paper trading, simulated trading. I just took an order on this one, XCUR. Okay, and it put the stop down here. Okay, based on how I had arranged it. But watch, of course, you see what it says. It says that if the stock hit this price, that's how much you would lose, $416. Okay, so course, I can always adjust it. I can say, well, that's too much. Or I mean, first of all, you have to understand that that you should have a plan in place. So when you do one of those, one of these types of trades, that it's set up with how much you're willing to risk on the trade. Okay, I'm just doing this as demonstration purposes. Okay, to show you that you can move the stop around and you see how your profit and loss will change right on the screen for you. So much so that you could say, well, okay, now if I ever hit 383, I can see how much money I'm going to make. Okay, and so it's a cool feature. We are going to. By the way, I'm just going to get out of the trade right now. Okay. I want to get out of the trade, flatten it. There, took it out. But it's a cool feature, and hopefully that will be ready for beta next week. Okay, I've had it up and running for the last couple of days, and it's very interesting to be able to just move your stop all around and just see, okay, what would be the ramifications if I moved it here in terms of profit and loss. So we're just trying to get more and more highly visual with what we're presenting to people, make it easier for them to visualize, what happens. And of course, practice with the simulator. The simulator is free. I mean, it's part of the standard, well, when I say free, it's part of our standard service. So you can do what I just did, take a simulated trade, have the stop show up right on the chart, and then just move it around and see what happens. Especially good if you get into a trade and it starts working for you, you just start moving your stop up. You keep moving your stop up. Typically, what might be a good practice. Let's just say I got into this trade right at 371. The stock goes to 4. I could just take my stop and move it right to where I bought it. So that means that, and lock in some profit, maybe sell half, lock in some profit, and then if it moves back down to where I bought it, at least I'm guaranteed some profit. Or I could keep moving it up, just almost like a trailing stock, but you're just doing it right on the chart. And the chart, to me, my way of thinking is a lot better than a sort of a mathematical trailing stop, because you can start putting you can start moving it around where it makes sense on the chart. Where is some support? Where is some resistance? It makes a lot more sense rather than just having some kind of a 10 cents trailing stop, which is really based on nothing. Okay, it's just you're just trying to protect yourself. But nice to be able to put a stop right on the chart based on what the chart visually is telling you where you should put it. So that's it, really, guys. There's really not a heck of a lot happening for me otherwise. I did take a couple of little trades, but I really wanted to show you that feature. Hopefully next week it'll be available in beta, and certainly I'll let you know if you come into the room. We'll certainly let you know if it is available, when it's available, because it's a very cool cool feature. All right, I want to shut this down, get back into the room. So, if you have any questions, again, this is the email address you can use, and this is the link for our free room. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you at 9 o'clock Monday morning. Bye bye.